This is outfit 562 5621 of YouTube, and I'm going to show you the Holoplan for Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Okay, for the Ublik passage. Okay, once you have killed Captain Slag, you just go here when you're about to return to your ship. Then you go down here, fly down here, bottom, and you just get these titanium boxes. Just go down here again. You just destroy these boxes. Just try to find the Holoplan. See, it's right there. There it is. That's it. Okay, like I said, once you finish killing Captain Slag, just go right here. I don't know how to get that out, so I'll just stop. Okay, like I said, when you finish killing Captain Slag, go right here, go down here, and there it is. And you just go all the way right there and you'll find the house. So that's it.